Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with another Soundcore review, and this time it's the Liberty 2s. So this is the little brother of the Liberty 2 Pros that I recently reviewed. The 2 Pros are absolutely fantastic. They got a ton of good things going for them, and so do the Liberty 2s. Now, they're essentially the same, the form factor, the buttons, the style, all the accessories that come with it, but the sound experience it's just a step down. And of course, you're paying $150 for the Liberty 2 Pros versus 99 bucks for these. But they still have a fantastic sound experience. Still have 32 hours of total playtime, 8 hours on one charge. You get 2 hours of listening time off of a 10-minute charge. It's got 4 microphones, 2 in each one, IPX5, water resistance, aptX support, the whole 9 yards. But it doesn't have the coaxial drivers, so it doesn't have the 2 drivers interlaced into one to give you that phenomenal bass, but it still has a really good sound experience. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Soundcore Liberty 2 earbuds. All right, so here we are with the Soundcore Liberty 2. So before I get started, I do want to say these were sent out as a review unit from Soundcore. I was not compensated in any way for this. This is not a sponsored video. They are not getting to see this before it goes public. It is purely for review purposes. But now that's out of the way, here we are. Now they've got this shiny little case with the slider on top that I really like. It slides open super easy. Now, one difference between the Liberty 2 Pros and these are that the case is not wireless charging compatible. So you have to plug it in with the USB-C cable. The box and the presentation are very similar. You can see the earbuds on the front there. Liberty 2, it has a lot of cool things going for it. Now, it does have diamond coated drivers, which is kind of a unique thing. It's supposed to add to the audio clarity, and I can say that these do have really good clarity. So that's one nice thing. It doesn't have the coaxial drivers that the Liberty 2 Pros have, so you're not going to get the same level of power and dynamic bass out of it, but it's still a great overall sound experience, especially for 99 bucks compared to a lot of the competition that floats around the $120 to $150 price range. So diamond coated drivers, the Hear ID personalized sound, so you can still do the personalized equalizer with the Soundcore app, 32 hours of playtime with the charging case, 8 hours per charge, 4 microphones, and then you can get 2 hours of listening time out of a 10-minute charge, which is really nice. And then they're IPX5 sweat and water resistant. So you can take them to the gym, you can use them out in the elements. These are not little dainty earphones you're going to have to worry about getting messed up. They also have the Qualcomm aptX support, so you get the best wireless transfer signal quality and you don't have to worry about latency, and it's got a nice superior digital audio sound. All right, so you got the little get started guide there, and then you pop the earbuds out. So you got the earbuds here, we got the little charging case here. Now taking an up close look, you can see it's got a nice black glossy finish to it with the Soundcore logo. It's got the little pins on the bottom, well, the little pin receptor so they can charge inside the case. And then there's a nice up close look at the driver. It's got a nice cool looking filter that goes over it to protect it and let the sound come through. You've got your ear stabilizer, or ear wing as some people like to call them. Those are already installed on there, and then there's an additional 2 pairs inside of the box. So you have small, medium, and large as far as the ear wings go. Now, they are labeled L and R, so left and right, and then the individual ear stabilizers have the sizes on them as well, which is also nice, so you can make sure you get everything paired up. Now, another cool thing, it's got the little buttons there on the top. There's not a touch-sensitive tile, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, it's hit or miss with the touch-sensitive tiles. Some brands and some units do it well, some of them don't. I kind of like that it just has the button, and then I control most of it from the app and the phone anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. You do accidentally kind of press the button, especially when you're putting them in your ear, so there is that, but you kind of get used to it and where to grab them whenever you put them in so you can wear them. You have the charging port on the back, which uses a USB-C cable. There is a USB-C cable included in the box. Now that button on the back is a battery indicator button. So you press that, there's 3 little LED lights on the front. They let you know, how many charges you have available. So it's just 1, 2, 3. You get 3 full charges out of the carrying case, and that's 8 hours of playtime per charge, which is how you get the magical 32 hours of playback time. All right, here's the little how do we sound insert with some of the customer service information. If you're happy or you're not happy, so you can complain or you can leave a compliment or a review of your own. And inside here, it also talks about the contents inside the box with the functionality and all that good stuff. It shows you about the LED lights. And then there's the button functionality, which of course you can change in the Soundcore app, which allows you to change the buttons. They have two different ways that they can work, either the double press or the single press, and then if you press and hold the button, they turn off. Now, here's the included USB-C cable. They are made by Anker. Soundcore is anyway, so you get the really nice cable there, and it says made by Anker, powered by Anker. And then you have the ear stabilizers and all of the different individual ear tips. So like I said, 7 different sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and then medium plus and large plus. So you've got more ear tips than you could possibly imagine in here, so you can get these things fitted for your individual comfort. Now, they don't have active or passive noise cancellation, but they do have really good sound isolation. And one important part to making sure you get the best sound quality and the best sound isolation is to ensure that you have them sized properly. So you might want to mess around with them. If the default ear tips and ear stabilizers don't work straight out of the box, go ahead and plug and play and figure it out so you can get it set up for your individual comfort so you can get the best quality sound out of your earbuds. All right, so just like the Liberty 2 Pros, these go in a special way. So you put them in your ear and then you rotate them back. So they'll be horizontal like this. You put them in vertically, then you rotate them back, and that helps lock the ear wing or the ear stabilizer into place so you have a nice, secure fit. So you put it in, rotate it back, and Bob's your uncle, easy peasy. And then of course you have the button up here on top and the button up here on top as well. And then of course the buttons you can customize for what their function is, whether it's controlling the volume, whether it's controlling your voice assistant, playing the forward track, reverse track, all of that within the Soundcore app. So that's really cool too. All right, so talking about the sound experience on the Liberty 2s. So the Liberty 2s, they have the same sliding shell carrying case. Very much the same earbuds. I mean, they look almost the same, they feel the same, but it's just like the Transformers. There's more than meets the eye. So it's not just something readily apparent at face value. They have 10mm drivers instead of 11mm drivers. So you're losing 1mm. You're not going to get the same amount of depth and full range sound as you do with the Liberty 2 Pros. They also don't have the coaxial driver, so you don't have that separate distinct driver for bass and also for the trebles. It has a diamond coated drivers, so it has really good crisp sound. But taking the Liberty 2 Pros and then looking at these, it is a little bit of a step down. The Liberty 2 Pros have the most phenomenal distinct depth and bass that I've ever heard in a set of earphones. Now, I haven't listened to any like the $300 Sonys or all those crazy ones, but $150 for a pair of earbuds is serious business. So when we're talking about the $100 for these, I still think that they're worth it. It's very, very good sound. It's very crisp. You don't have as much distinct hard-hitting bass whenever it comes to the low-end spectrum. The mids and highs are still pretty good though. The highs are not as fantastic as they are on the 2 Pros just because you don't have the separate driver there. But everything is coming straight piped out of the 10mm drivers on here. It does have, like I said, it has very good sound. It has lots of power and volume. They're very comfortable. They fit in the ear nicely. They have so many different ear tips, just like the other ones. It's like 7 different sizes, like extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and then it has medium plus and large plus. And then you get the 3 sets of ear tips. So I showed you all that in the breakdown and the unboxing, but they still have great call quality. So you have 2 microphones on each earbud. You can still control them. You can still use the Soundcore app so that you can go in and you can customize your different profile with the Hear ID personalization sound. So you set it up with the app, and then when you do that, it maps the sound for your ear. So everybody hears things differently. And there's so many different megahertz or hertz spectrums when it comes to sound for the lows, the mids, and the highs. So that Hear ID profile, what that does is it allows you to go through and it goes through each one of the different spectrums that it has set up so you can tune it to your own hearing experience. So I think that's really nice. And you can use that, but then there's just so many different preset equalizers already in there. So you have a wide variety of different ways that you can change the global equalizer on the fly, whether it's country, whether it's classic, whether it's R&B, whether it's rock, whether you just want a flat equalizer. You can change all that stuff, or then you can just change it back to the personalized one that you set up yourself. So I definitely still give these 2 thumbs up, one for each earbud, because I think that they have great sound. The aptX support is nice. The IPX5 water resistance is nice. You get 8 hours on one charge, and then you get a total of 32 hours of listening time because the carrying case also doubles as a charger. Again, they're very comfortable. You can wear them for a long time. The quality is there, and then the Soundcore app really brings everything together. So that's something that you really get. I've listened to a lot of earbuds between the $30 and $100 price range, and the sound customization, the equalizers that you get in this really take the listening experience to the next level, and you can really, really enjoy it. One final thing I do want to mention is that you can listen to them individually. So this is something that you don't get with a lot of earphones, even when we talk about the $100 plus earphones in some categories. So you can listen to it with either the left earbud or the right earbud. You don't have to do any special pairing. You don't have to do anything extra. You just pair them like normal, and then you can take one out. You can take the left one out and put it inside the case. The right one still works. You can take the right one out and put it in the case, and the left one still works. So that's really nice, because some people like to listen to their earbuds with different ears. I usually like to leave mine in my right ear and leave my left one open. But if you want to do it the other way around, whatever works for you. It's just one really nice thing, especially at the $100 price category. That's just one extra feature that sets it apart from a lot of the competition. So that's all I've got on the Soundcore Liberty 2s. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and the subscribe button, and then hit the little notification bell so you can get access to the latest and greatest, so you can get the notifications for those as well. But thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.